What's up, y'all? Trey again. You know what I'm saying? I was just thinking, what would be better to have? Any pistol, rifle, whatever. A beam, red beam, or a light. And I know you got the laser light combo, but if you only had one choice, what would you get? A red beam or a light? Cause you know what I'm saying? I'm just thinking in a self-defense situation, home defense. If there was an intruder coming in, would you rather have your light on or your beam? Light, beam, somebody coming in. Now, if it's dark in the house, you know what I'm saying? Because most likely it's going to be dark in the house. You would need some type of light to see. But with it being your house, you already know where things at pretty much. So having your light on would give off your position if the intruder sees a light and would either go the opposite way of you or just start shooting in your direction. Now if you got the beam on, you can just sit back, wait, and when you see something, you just spot them and drop them. Spot them and drop them. You know, and I'm pretty sure you got more options with lights in situations like that. You got your good and your bad. But y'all tell me what would y'all rather have if you only had one choice between a light and a beam? Cause I be trying to figure out which one I want to put on this weapon. You know what I'm saying? I put this on sometimes, take this off, switch it up. But I'm tired of doing that. I just want to go with one thing and leave it alone. And I think I'm gonna stick with the beam. You know what I'm saying? And probably just put this on my AK maybe. You know what I'm saying? But y'all tell me what y'all think. You know? Peace.